Welcome back to another video. Today I will be installing and styling Marilyn. She is red and hot and ready to go for any occasion. So please like, comment, subscribe, and share with friends. Most definitely. Let's get into the video.
Hey guys, so I slicked my edges back, put my wig cap on, and cleaning my hairline with some rubbing alcohol. Before I put my wig on, I will be spraying my forehead with some Skin Protectant. It is also by Meltdown. I got their whole set that I'm going to be trying in this video, so please stay tuned. I am telling you about it because I did not record that part, but let's continue. After applying the glue, I will blow dry my hair until the glue is clear, and then you will apply another layer. And applying layers help with the wig installation lasting. In the process of laying my lace further on, you shall see me using my rat comb to apply pressure and help while the glue and the lace are drying and melting together. Other side now. But guys, listen up, follow me on Instagram, keep with me on Twitter. Also like this video, subscribe and comment, even share the link with a friend. Thank you. I completed both sides, but there's always the one section that doesn't want to go down with the team, so you just go back in and cover all your bases. It's baby hair time, so now we're going to take out the hairs that we're going to use as baby hairs. Stay tuned. Hey, so you will be applying Got To Be Glued to the hairline as an agent to help with melting the lace even more. And then use your scarf to also aid the process. And you can also use the blow dryer to make this go quicker. Hey, so with doing my baby hairs, / edges, I will be using the Argan Oil Glue Gel Stronghold featuring Argan Oil. Hey, so while you're blow drying, make sure everything is dry and to your satisfaction. I approximately did this whole process for like 10 minutes, so you know.
Alright guys, since I have now completed the installation, I am about to go into my style where I have been rocking my curls for a minute, so we're gonna do some curls. Bubba wand curls. Yes. Let's keep going. Hey, wig slayed. Now doing some final touches with the looking more natural in the scalp light. Gotta get that part, and you know, style good to go. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I hope you all enjoyed the video just as much as I enjoyed making it for you. Please like, comment, subscribe, and there will be more coming soon. Bye.